What is homeopathy? Definition. Homeopathy is a system of alternative medicine based on the principle that the body can heal itself. Origin. Developed in the late 18th century by Samuel Hahnemann, a German physician. Focus. It uses natural substances in very small doses to stimulate the body's healing processes. Historical background. Founder, Samuel Hahnemann, 1755 to 1843. German physician. Discovery. Dissatisfaction with conventional medicine led him to explore alternative treatments. Publication. Hahnemann's work led to the publication of the Organon of Medicine in 1810, outlining homeopathic principles. Basic principles of homeopathy. Law of similars. Like cures like. A substance that causes symptoms in a healthy person can be used to treat similar symptoms in a sick person. Law of minimum dose. The lower the dose of the medication, the greater its effectiveness in treating illnesses. Potentization. Dilution and succussion. Homeopathic remedies undergo a process called potentization, where they are repeatedly diluted and shaken. Power in dilution. The more a substance is diluted, the more potent it becomes, according to homeopathic belief. Homeopathic remedies. Sources of remedies. Made from natural substances such as plants, minerals, and animal products. Preparation. Remedies are diluted in water or alcohol and then potentized through succussion, vigorous shaking. Forms. Common forms include pellets, tablets, liquids, and creams. How homeopathy works. Individualized treatment. Each patient is treated based on their unique physical and mental condition, not just the disease symptoms. Holistic approach. Homeopathy looks at the patient's overall health, including emotional and psychological states, not just physical symptoms. Common conditions treated with homeopathy. Chronic diseases. Allergies, asthma, arthritis, and digestive problems. Acute conditions. Colds, flu, minor infections, and injuries. Emotional disorders. Anxiety, depression, insomnia, and stress-related issues. Difference between homeopathy and conventional medicine. Homeopathy focuses on stimulating the body's natural healing process with minimal intervention. Conventional medicine often relies on pharmaceutical drugs to suppress symptoms or replace bodily functions. Evidence and efficacy. Clinical evidence. Mixed scientific evidence exists. Some studies show positive effects, but others attribute outcomes to placebo effects. Criticism. Many in the medical community criticize the lack of solid scientific evidence supporting homeopathy's effectiveness. Homeopathy versus placebo effect. Placebo controversy. Critics argue that the effects of homeopathy are largely due to the placebo effect. Supporters' view. Proponents believe the remedies work beyond placebo, citing anecdotal evidence and personal experiences. Safety and side effects. Low risk. Homeopathic remedies are generally considered safe due to their high dilution. Minimal side effects. Few adverse effects are reported, but it is important to consult a professional before combining homeopathy with conventional medicine. Global popularity of homeopathy. Europe, especially popular in Germany, France, and the UK. Asia, widely used in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, where millions rely on it as a primary healthcare method. Americas. Homeopathy has gained a following in the United States, Brazil, and Mexico, with a growing number of practitioners. Homeopathy in modern healthcare. Integration. In some countries, homeopathy is integrated into public health systems and covered by insurance. Regulation. Homeopathy is regulated by professional bodies in many countries, though regulations vary widely. Criticisms and controversies. Scientific basis. Lack of empirical evidence and the implausibility of its principles have made homeopathy a controversial subject. Over-reliance risk. Critics warn that relying on homeopathy instead of proven conventional treatments for serious conditions can be dangerous. Conclusion. Balanced approach. Homeopathy can be a valuable complementary therapy for those seeking a more natural approach to health. Considerations. Patients should use homeopathy under the guidance of a trained practitioner and in conjunction with conventional medicine when necessary.